How to start a free trial with Constant Contact. Constant Contact offers a 30-day free trial for new users, providing access to its comprehensive email marketing and online marketing tools. To begin your trial, follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up for the free trial. Visit the Constant Contact sign-up page. Enter your email address, password, first name, last name, organization name, and phone number. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Step 2. Explore the platform. Once registered, you can create and send emails, design professional emails using customizable templates, manage contacts, upload and segment your contact lists for targeted campaigns, utilize additional tools, access features like social media posting, landing pages, and more. Step 3. Understand trial limitations. During the trial, you can send up to 100 emails in total. All features are available for testing, but some functionalities may have usage limits. Step 4. Upgrade to a paid plan. To continue using Constant Contact after the trial, log into your account. Navigate to the Plans and Pricing section, choose a plan that suits your needs, and follow the prompts to enter billing information. Additional information. No credit card is required to start the free trial. After the trial ends, your account will remain accessible, but you won't be able to send emails until you upgrade. For detailed information and support, refer to Constant Contact's knowledge base. By following these steps, you can explore Constant Contact's features during the free trial period and determine if it aligns with your marketing needs.